How's it going, YouTube? This is Frosty playing his playing his Frostcraft. I've changed the name of it because everyone says it's a bit too much like Syndicate, and I'm just gonna be doing some normal Minecraft guys. Yeah, I am in a party with people, and I need some more bones, and I need some more wood. So, to the trees with your child, to the woods with your child. And why the fuck am I in that skin? I should be Herobrine. Have I been playing in that skin for like all this time? Wow.
I just lost all my guns.
I sort of plugged the mic in at the real wrong time, didn't I? I'm Herobrine. I'm Herobrine, bitch. Derp, derp, derp. Derp, 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 derp. Does anybody else think that it looks cool running around with a stone axe in your hand?
Oh my. This is what we're doing.
What round are you guys on?
Come on, keep getting quick. I'm in the other one in. I want someone to be in when
Yeah, I am recording, guys. Just so that you know, I am not talking to myself.
Also, I'm in your video.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Basically, you are in
Yes, bro. I like
how I'm just gonna mute everyone now. No, I'm not gonna mute everyone yet. Yeah.
Bro, someone's coming through the roof now. Like, stop it. Uzi time. Will you let me move anyone?
The bus driver's pro. He just like dodges lava like a boss. Yeah, YouTube, if you've seen Golden Knight's previous zombies video, and I was in it, I only went down because I was actually doing trolling. I was hoping for EMP grenades, but I wasn't recording, so I was hoping to troll him. But it turns out he was like, oh my days! Every time I record, I swear, my TV wants to try and turn itself off. What suicidal TV. Really annoying.
Get out!
I think from house.
Get out, mate!
Who did that really, really super gay laugh then?
Oh, what are you from? Oh no. We're in the song. I don't like this song. It's scary.
Yeah, so basically, YouTube, I'm just finishing off the roof of my house now. I think it's episode 5 or maybe 6. I'm not even sure. Yeah, I'm recording again. Yeah.
Why are you trying to jump on my head?
What? What did you say to? What did you say?
Someone was trying to jump on my head.
Connor, shut up! Liam's talking. Go on, Liam. I didn't hear you because of Morgan.
I got you.
Morgan. I mean Connor. I don't know if you guys can actually.
Oh my god! Thanks. Bye bye.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he's they're coming out of my TV, so I just had to check that, guys.
Yeah, I'm dead. Oh wait. Hi. This guy's a bitch. Oh no. Oh, I thought you all got on the bus. Did you all get on board? No, just me. Don't walk the bus. I thought you were all getting on the bus. How did you fall off?
They all fall off like a boss. I'm gonna put captions down for this party chat.
What if it's a mystery box? Seriously, I need it.
Snipers are amazing.
Oh no!
If you go down Lewis, I'm gonna cry because snipers are awesome.
You fucking fuck. Oh, I've gone down. I can't do that. I'm just a zombie and
So Bloodshot, how many downs have you
no
had?
one knows where I am.
Bloodshot.
I'll try and get one. I've got a shotgun.
Shotguns are not
I've got a
shitty.
pistol.
It depends on the round in the shotgun. So like, our friend Jordan, when he got to round 19 on transit, the only gun he had was a Remington, and we got to round 19 and he had the least downs. I had the most because I joined at a different time. I joined on round 17, so I didn't record it.
Oh, is everyone dead? That's it.
I've finished my house.
I told you we did it, bro.
YouTube, I finished my house.
Oh wait, yeah, you have got a bad shotgun.
I tell you who else jinxed something. Titanic jinxed. Titanic was jinxed. He said it's the unsinkable, so what the fuck did it do? It sank. See, it jinxed itself.
Sorry, I had to say that.
No, but it did jinx itself. What the fuck? It did jinx
And it was
itself.
real life as well, so
Yeah.
that's true fact.
Yeah. So.
How would you say a big, massive ship is unsinkable and it weighs about more than a normal ship?
It weighs more than an elephant. Yeah.
It was unsinkable when it wasn't going to get hit by a submarine. Right, where's the mystery box? I don't know.
I had enough of this bullshit.
Yeah, it's in the town.
I'm just going to follow this to see if he knows where it is.
It's in the town.
Oh no.
I like how you're the only person who doesn't get pissed off by like young kids playing Call of Duty.
Oh, I'm getting Liam. No. And I missed the gun, so.
But what I do get annoyed about is when they start trying to fucking get cheated.
Hi. Same.
That is wicked beautiful.
Oh no, get away from me. I don't like you anymore, get away from me. Oh, Alamo, you serious? Oh, go on, Liam.
Anyway, YouTube, basically,
Liam, how many people?
I'm just involved in this conversation in a very slight way, so, you know, I'm just going to be putting captions down so that you can actually hear what the party chat is saying. Cow, why did you just destroy my crops, cow?
Did I revive you?
Lewis is crying. You just hear Lewis cry.
Oh my god. I got raided by
YouTube, I've now finished my house. So I've got this small thing where I sleep, and then I've got this, and this we'll have upstairs. This is just here to make it look nice and to store stuff. I am making coal for torches, guys, so that we all know. You can see the controller, I'm sorry. You can't. I do hope you all enjoy my videos of Minecraft because I enjoy making them for you guys. Which is fun. Connor, say hello to YouTube. Say hello to YouTube, Connor.
Well, yeah, I'll live there for a little bit.
Right, say hello. Say hello to YouTube, Connor.
Say what?
Say hello to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube. I love you.
Woodshop.
I used to live in
Woodshop. Liam, say hello to YouTube.
Liam, say hello to YouTube or I will kill you.
Say hello.
To YouTube.
Say hello. Wait, Lewis, say hello to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. You're crazy.
Yes, we got everyone to do it. That is, we got everyone to do it. I'm happy with that.
I want to be a children.
Yeah.
Are you still playing?
Ow, this kills my ears. This kills my ears.
Yeah.
I wonder how I make never. Does anyone know how to make never brick on this?
I don't know. I think actually, am I still the girl? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm still the girl,
Louis, do you know how to make what's it called? Do you know how to make netherrack on Minecraft? Like never brick? No, never brick. Oh, I'm gonna go to netherrack. It's like I'm gonna have to go mining now on YouTube. Anyway, I'm gonna end that here. Thanks for watching that YouTube.